Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm here in my kitchen. We just woke up. It's like 7 in the morning, maybe. Too early. Anyways, I'm going to be making pancakes and I'm going to show you how I make pancakes. Oh, and also guys, thank you so much for 199 subscribers. I'm so excited. I know, like, all those, for people who are like have millions of subscribers, you guys are like, well, that's not even a lot of subscribers if you think about it. But I'm still starting, so I think that's a lot of subscribers. Mom. Anyways, let's get started. So we have our pan on here. We're going to get the powder. We have our heart. We have our cup of water. Let's pour. First, we're going to do the cup of water, even though that's not what you're supposed to do first. I don't care. Next, we're going to have the pancake mix. We're going to have 1 cup of pancake mix. Ugh. Yummy pancake mix. Yeah, we're definitely going to need some more pancake mix. Just put that in. I know. We're just going to have, that's good. Yep, that's good. Good enough. Okay. Get a large spoon, a big one. That's a lot of powder. I should have thought that through. Maybe we'll need another bowl. Be right back. Bigger bowl. Is it bigger though? Let's see. Yeah, it looks pretty bigger. Yummy. Sorry. Let's stir now. So we're going to put some sprinkles on this bad boy too, because I have some sprinkles. But first we got to mix it up. So, thank you again for 199 subscribers. Last night I was just making a video from us going to Six Flags. Go ahead and check that video out if you want to see it. Wow, this is so much better. It's so hard to make sometimes. And if you don't want to see it, go ahead and just like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, did you do it? If you did, then tell me in the comments. So my sister's over here. Hello. And she's standing on her tippy toes because she's a shorty. Anyways, we're making pancakes, right, Sissy? Can you make it for me? Fine. Okay, get up. We're going to give her some pancakes too. Just don't tell her there's going to be sprinkles on it. Uh-oh. Hey! Okay. Let's keep mixing. It looks pretty good soon. I got my sprinkles for it. Yep, thank you. We got the sprinkles. Let's put in some of this. Then let's put only one is in there. Let's put some of this. I don't think this is gonna be good, guys. And then let's put in some of the yellows. I'll mix it. Some yellow eggs. Wow, yellow yolks. And some red. Ew, I don't like the red. Sorry. Some blue. No! Okay, that's good. It be gross. Let's see. Make it gross. There we go. Oh, yummy, yummy tummy. I'm going to show you guys it. Yummy. Looks pretty good. Okay. Now we're going to put it on the pan. Yeah, guys, we were watching Sniper Wolf. I love Sniper Wolf. So go ahead and check out her channel. Yes, and subscribe. I love it so much. I subscribe to you on YouTube. I really want to meet you. Can you call us? Okay. Let's put the... That's good. Wow. Oh, we got some right there, but that's Dad okay. Taught me how to make some. Honey, here's a spatula. Oh, thank you. We need to get you one because I don't really like this one. Never mind. Okay. So hopefully this pancake turns out all nice and delicious. Oh, it wasn't right. Bubbly. Yep. Do you know how to make pancakes? I do. Oh, I think you were supposed to use this to mix it. It's fine. I can use a spoon. Doesn't matter. I'm scared because I don't want it to pop. I don't think we should have put sprinkles in it. No, it was a good idea. Everything needs sprinkles. Ooh, it was already burnt. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Make some pancakes yummy. No, guys, I'm not going to eat that, but I will get a plate. Okay, don't worry. I'll make a better pancake. Give me a different one. Okay. This one is for her. Here's how the first one turned out. It has the sprinkles. If you look really... No, Sissy, you don't have to move it. If you look really closely, you can see some sprinkles. The blue one right there. Ew! This is gross. Let's get the next pancake all on. I love your Dorman videos, Sniper Wolf. My sister just likes your videos a lot. Yeah, I love them. I watch them every single day. So if you have not heard of Sniper Wolf, what I'm pretty sure you have, because she's super cool. If you haven't, go ahead and check out her channel and go watch it. I love her Dorman Man videos. Darman. Yeah, that's what I said, Darman. Darman. We got a mini pancake. Yep. Don't worry, it's going to taste better. Guys, we already have 199 subscribers. So yes. Please, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to our video because we really want to make it to 1 billion. 1,000. 1 billion thousand. Tiny steps. 1,000. Yeah, this pancake did not take tiny steps. Let's just throw this one away. No. Yeah, we're not good at cooking. Well, I am, just not the best. Yeah, she's good. Not great. The difference. Yeah. One time she actually almost blew up the house. Okay, that wasn't my fault. So I was baking, and I really wanted to make like cake. We always mess up. I wanted to make cake, and I was going to make it, and then I put it in the oven too long. I have one question. And it almost blew up. Those cook fast. Wait until it's bubbly. Do you know how to make pancakes? Yeah, but you're so picky with them. I want it to be like that flat. How T was. That's definitely not gonna happen. You know what? Let's just flip it. It's good enough. Okay, Don't trust her cooking. Okay, guys. Well, that's gonna be all for today's video. Go ahead and go down to some other video and try to figure out how the pancakes looked, because this is getting a little too long. We'll see you guys. Go check out part 2. Yep. There's not a part 2. And the pancake just dropped. Okay, anyways, I hope you subscribe and have an awesome awesome day. And subscribe, like, put on your notifications.
So never miss another video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you didn't that time, make sure you comment down. Not the best pancakes.
See you guys later. Bye.